We're in the middle of June, and it's about time for the 2023 iPhones to come at the rumored September event, so a new leak on iPhone 15 price might be a blow to fans. Before this occurs, we may expect new leaks approximately every other day, and today's is about the predicted price hike for the iPhone 15 series, which we have been anticipating. In a recent interview with CNBC, Wall Street analyst Dan Ives said that the average selling price of the next iPhone 15 series would rise. Ives has a great track record in this area, having previously warned about iPhone 14 price increases globally. It's nothing Apple did later, but US consumers were spared the same price rises. That is anticipated to change with the iPhone 15 range, with various experts and sources reporting price increases of up to $200, notably for iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models. Ives has not provided a specific figure, but he is by far the biggest name to add weight to these price hike claims. While US buyers will understandably be concerned, the biggest shock will be for international customers, who may face their second consecutive major price increase. Given that the ordinary models are increasingly based on the Pro versions from the previous year, a wider price difference between the two would make a lot of sense. For example, the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus will use the same design and chipset as the 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. However, the 15 Pro and Pro Max will get an updated design, next-generation CPU, and enhanced cameras, since most iPhones are purchased on long-term contracts. A $200 price hike is unlikely to deter Pro purchasers, but the wider gap may be enough to revive sales of ordinary models, which have been stagnant in previous years. While no price hike was anticipated for the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, something opposite appeared to be in the works, and it appears that even they will not be spared. It is also suggested that the price hike could be due to the various highlighting elements of the 15 Pro models, such as a titanium build, more RAM, faster USB 3.2 ports, and much more. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.